Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today is going to be awesome. We are going to be doing some pork fried rice, and we're actually going to be doing this on the Blackstone Griddle, but you don't need a griddle. You can do this same recipe in the kitchen with a wok or a saucepan or anything like that. It's super easy and it is really, really good. So let's go ahead and take a look at how it turned out. Alright guys, so here's the full ingredients, everything I have. 2 uncooked cups of rice, but fully cooked, so I got that. In our mixture that we're using, we've got 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of regular soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce, and 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. And just whisk that together. I got 5 eggs that are whisked up as well. Got 1/2 pound of pork. You can use whatever kind of meat you want, chicken, whatever you like. I got 1/2 cup of green onions chopped up, and we'll also be using 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. You can use fresh if you want. There's the ingredients, super easy. I'm gonna go light the Blackstone up, and we'll meet you out there. Alright guys, we're out at the griddle. I do apologize, there's a little bit of wind. So let's see what we can do. First thing, just throw down a little bit of butter. We're going to get that melted. We're going to do our eggs first. Just make sure to get your eggs nice and cooked. Alright, now with your eggs cooked, we got 4 hot zones on here. I have the far right one off. So we're going to go ahead and slide those over here. Alright, we're going to throw down a little bit of oil. And about 1 tablespoon of garlic. I'm using minced, you can use fresh. Now with this, one thing I forgot to mention, I just got the frozen peas and carrots, optional if you want, but we're going to go ahead and throw a little bit of these on here. Just add a little bit of color, and I like peas. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and stir this around for a few minutes. Alright, after you've gotten that just a couple of minutes, we're going to go ahead and dump our meat. I got pork, you can use whatever you like. I'm going to dump some water on to steam it up. Alright, once your pork is all the way cooked, go ahead and move it over to the side with the eggs. Alright, now it's time to add the rice. Go ahead and throw down a little bit of oil. I'm just using a little bit of vegetable oil. Now let's go ahead and add our rice. Make sure to stir it stir it pretty often. We're just trying to dry the rice out. Alright, after the rice is cooked, which you'll see a lot of it starting to jump around and stuff like that, and it's all dried out, and you do like this, it's just all single pieces of rice. Go ahead, get it all together, and incorporate everything that you make. All right, here you want to throw a little bit of salt. I just got some kosher salt. Just a pinch across the top. Salt and pepper to taste. And give it a good stir. All right, it's looking nice and fluffy. Let's go ahead and add our sauce that we made. Now we're going to use half at a time. Half of the sauce and start incorporating it. You want to do it fast. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add half of our green onions. And the rest of our sauce. All right, guys, we are finished. Let's go ahead and put it in a bowl. All right, we'll meet you inside. All right, guys, finished product. This is what we ended up with. Already tasted it. It's phenomenal, I think, and it's kind of what we're looking at. Great color, great taste. And like I said, you can use any meat you want. You can do this on the stovetop in a wok or a regular saucepan, but we're going to bring you right back and give you a taste test. All right, guys, we are finished with the cook, and I've already chomped into it, and it is really dang good. I mean, we ended up with a big old plate of some pork fried rice, but that's what it is, guys. It was just super amazing. Carrots and peas and meat and rice, and I'm just going to eat off this big old plate right here. That is a great recipe, guys. You gotta try it. Like I said, you can do it in the kitchen if you don't happen to have a Blackstone Griddle, wok or saucepan. Now, if you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content that I'm putting out here. With that being said, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this, and we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.